I'll be showing you how to make this dolphin. The audio is not gonna match what I'm talking on screen because later I had to remove the audio due to my dogs making a lot of noise. I use split cake with white and gray, and also split cake with metallic green and metallic blue, and also fab gunmetal as my dark gray. And the first thing I do was to wet the sponge to put the background of the green and blue or light blue. In retrospect, I think next time I will pick a light blue, probably a metallic light blue, because I find that this was too dark. It didn't make enough contrast for the dolphin to pop. In this case, I tried to redo it with adding some blue. The blue that I'm using is the Ziva Metallic Shimmer by Fab. And I tried to add some more because I found it to be too green, too much on the green or teal side. I'm also using Mama Clown glitter, iridescent glitter, ice blue. And I'm covering my face so that it only goes on the edges, since I'm gonna be painting the dolphin in the middle of it. And so I only want to glitter on the edges. And I'm going to be doing the dolphin with the, first I'm gonna use the split cake, the white and the gray, with a white brush, a flat brush. And I'm pretty much just doing like a curve, like a open C shape. At this point, the paint was on the blue and green paint was still too wet. It was blending too much.
Okay.
So I waited like a minute or so.
Just about a minute, exactly.
And then redid it. Now I didn't do the whole dolphin with this, mainly the body. And later I'm gonna come back with another brush to do the actual details, like the nose, the tail, the fin. And I think that's what I'm going to do next. For that, I will use, like I said before, the gunmetal.
I'm going to do with the
gray by Fab.
gunmetal.
And what you want to do when you make it is make a small nose, like it's coming up. First, what I did was to do some more of the gray. Now here, when you make the nose, it shouldn't be too long, it shouldn't be too big. It's just pointy. And then when you do the tail, it's pretty much like an inverted U, like a small arch coming from the body.
U shape here.
And this is what I think there's not enough contrast. If my background was a lighter blue, then the dolphin will pop more. Next, what I will be doing is adding a lighter gray in the center, like a highlight, so that the dolphin is not too dark as well. And just adding on the top of the tail as well. And then with this one I'm doing the fin, and well, the flipper in the front and then the fin on the back. I did not have a lot of room, and I think I probably should have done this dolphin slightly smaller so that the fin will be more noticeable. But you get the idea of what it is. Then I add a little bit of black to do the eye, and then the mouth. Dolphins are usually smiling, or they look like they're smiling because of the shape of their mouth. So I added that, and then I came back just to finish it off with some glitter. This is a popular design at parties. Little girls love having dolphins, and that's what it looks like. I came back later to do some swirls in the water with a Fab the Dolphin face paint. It is a light teal. And I'm just gonna do some swirls around to simulate the waves of the water where he's swimming. If you have any questions, let me know. But this is pretty much the end of it. And if you like this video, remember to subscribe or give it a thumbs up.